Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We are given f of x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x plus 1, and we want to find f of 0 times f of 1 times f of 2, so on times f of 10. Now my friends, to see, let me evaluate the first 2 or 3 terms. F of 0 is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 0 plus 1, which is 2 to the first power plus 1. Let me keep this. F of 1 becomes 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 plus 1, which is 2 squared plus 1. Or f of 2 becomes, let's write f of 2 becomes 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 plus 1, which is 2 to the fourth power plus 1. Lastly, let me show you f of 3. This is 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 3 plus 1, which is 2 to the 8th power plus 1, and so on. Now we will multiply. As we see, what are the multiplicants here? We have 2 to the first power plus 1, 2 to the second power plus 1, 2 to the fourth power plus 1, 2 to the 8th power plus 1, let's say, so on, up to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 plus 1, which is actually 2 to the power of 1024 and plus 1. Now, how to simplify such an expression, such a multiplication? We have a trick. We will multiply and divide this by 2 to the first power minus 1. This is for using the difference of two squares. Let me show you. The denominator becomes 1, and doesn't matter now. This is 1 already. We will first multiply 2 to the first power plus 1 by 2 to the first power minus 1, and we will get, from the difference of two squares, we will get 2 squared minus 1 from the first multiplication, and the rest is the same now. 2 squared plus 1, 2 to the fourth power plus 1, so on up to 2 to the 10th power plus 1. Now we will again multiply these first two terms now. From the difference of two squares, again we will write 2 to the fourth power minus 1, and the rest again is the same. 2 to the fourth power plus 1, 2 to the 8th power plus 1, and up to 2 to the power of 2 to the 10th power plus 1, and so on. We will get 2 to the 8th power minus 1, 2 to the 16 minus 1, and up to here we will have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 minus 1, and this will be multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 plus 1. This is the final operation here. So we will have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 10 all squared minus 1 squared. So this is equal to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 11 minus 1. This is the final result for our question. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.